Hey guys, what's up? Since summer is approaching quickly, I wanted to come on and show you guys a few summer salads that I like to prepare. So they're really quick and they're simple and they're tasty. The salads are all vegan friendly, plant-based friendly, and they're really tasty. I'm gonna go over 3 different salads. There's a black-eyed pea salad, there's a rainbow salad. It's kind of coleslaw inspired, but it's really tasty, full of nutrients. And then there's a fruit salad that has a little bit of a twist to it, not just a regular chop up the fruit and kind of throw it in a bowl kind of thing. So we'll get right to it. Starting off, guys, with the black-eyed peas. And this recipe calls for more. It actually calls for 2 cans of black-eyed peas, but since I'm just doing it for me, I am just going to use the 1 can, and I kind of scaled back the recipe. We're gonna start with the red onion. So it calls for finely chopped red onion. This recipe is really good, you know, as a side dish, or if you want to use it, you know, with nachos. It's really good, kind of more like a dip. You can kind of tailor it to, if you're making it for yourself, you know, how you want it to be. So what we're gonna do next, the red pepper. And I'll probably add some more red onion, because I really like red onion also. I had to give the red onion a break. It's burning my eyes. Okay, now we're gonna go into the jalapeno. And I mentioned to you guys in another video that I like to, I'm just showing you how I get the kind of seeds out. Because it kind of takes the heat out. I mean, you still get a little bit of the heat, but I don't like my mouth on fire. I just like a little bit of heat, just a little bit, just a little bit. Not a whole bunch, and those seeds, they can get you. If you're a jalapeno pepper eater, you know what I'm talking about. I have an uncle in Arizona who just used to eat them whole. How he did it, I don't know. He loved them, and I have never, ever, ever been able to do that. So the next thing we're gonna do is do the green onion. And this called for like 2 tablespoons of green onion. So we're just gonna run back to the red onion and put a little bit more in. And then we're going to move on to the tomato. And then we're going to do parsley. And you fine tune these recipes to how you like things. You know, especially if it's veggies. you know, if it's not like sauces or anything. So this is the salad so far. I'll just mix it so you guys can see. And again, I kind of roughly followed a recipe. So that's what it's looking like. And now we're gonna go on. We're gonna go ahead and use the rice vinegar, some olive oil, and then salt and pepper. So this recipe is inspired by Chef Tony. Mix that up a bit. Oh, my bowl is getting messy. And then we're going to use the rice vinegar. And usually use the rice wine vinegar, but I couldn't find any in the store when I went, so I'm just kind of substituting. I mean, I have used the rice wine vinegar before, so I'm hoping that, you know, this is gonna be just as good. But you guys, when I put the recipe in the description box, don't be surprised when you see that it's different, because this is just a rice vinegar. So the recipe, it calls for 1/4 cup. So I'm just gonna kind of do 1/2 cup. And I need to grab another bowl so I can whisk it together, because I'm not gonna pour it. I'm not pouring it directly onto our black eyed peas and veggies. So you do that. And then it called for canola oil, but I'm going to use 1/4 cup of the olive oil. Pour that in. And then we need a little bit of sugar. So it's like 1/2 teaspoon, so we're going to use 1/2. What's 1/2, guys? Sorry about the arms. Uh-oh. Oh, well, that came out a lot faster than I anticipated. So I'm gonna grab a fork, kind of whisk it together. And then we're gonna pour it over. I should have used my whisker, but it was just so, I mean, it's really not that much in the bowl. So I'm just gonna pour it over. And we're gonna do a light toss. I'm losing my black eyed peas. So this is the black eyed pea salad, guys. And then you just put it in the fridge and let it chill. And you can let it marinate. I believe the recipe says for up to 8 hours. So I am just gonna let it marinate, and then I'm gonna come right back. So then we're gonna get on our rainbow salad. It's kind of my coleslaw inspired salad. So we're gonna do that next. All right, guys, be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I've washed off my rainbow mix and I've had it to dry. And I just want to tell you guys what all vegetables are in it. It's got broccoli, carrots, red cabbage, kohlrabi, and cauliflower. So it's got a lot of great nutrients in it. And it's really, like I said, it's super simple to make. You can make this in different ways. It doesn't have to be the coleslaw inspired like I'm doing, but I was just looking for an alternative, and this is what I found, and I really liked it, me and my family. So I'm gonna take a little of that, This is the mayo alternative. And put it in. And a little mustard. Uh-oh. A little salt. And a little pepper. And then we're just mixing it. Like I said, there's nothing more simple than this. I got kind of tired of the regular coleslaw. I've been eating it since I was a kid, and I just wanted something just a little different. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right here. You don't have to get crazy with the mayo, and you can use regular mayo if that's what you prefer. It doesn't have to be the mayo alternative. And then that's just it, guys. You just put it in the refrigerator and let it chill, and it is ready. I mean, that had to have been like, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe, tops. But you can add more of, you know, whatever you choose, more mayo, more mustard, if you prefer more. This is the second salad. And then we're gonna move on to the third salad, which is the fruit salad. And it's also very simple as well. And it's just, you know, it's really good also. They're all really good and really simple. Especially if you've got picnics coming up, you can just throw something together that's simple, and you know, you don't have to spend all day in the house cooking. Hey guys, I'm back. I got everything rinsed off. I went ahead and put in the blueberries, the pineapple, and the mandarin oranges. You can use the canned or the fresh. The fresh is probably better, but I don't mind the canned ones. And then again, this recipe is going to be tailored more for just me, or you know, just a couple of people, not the regular amount, because it would be like a pound of fresh strawberries, a pound of pineapple, you know, like the whole containers of things. So this is just more, like I said, tailored to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the strawberries. So again, we've got the pineapple right here, and then we got the blueberries, now the strawberries, and now we're gonna do the grapes. So it's red grapes, and we're just gonna slice them in half. And then it calls for kiwi also. And then with this fruit salad, I'm gonna whisk up some honey and some lime to go over it. Rinse off my hands again, and then we're gonna do the banana. So now we're going to do the honey lime dressing. We'll put the one over there. And it calls for a fourth a cup of honey. I need a smaller spoon, like a teaspoon. Yeah, here we go. So it calls for a fourth a cup, but I think I'm gonna do half of that since my recipe isn't as big. Honey in the bowl. And then we're gonna need 2 teaspoons of lime zest if you were doing a full portion. So I'm just gonna do just a little bit. And then like 1.5 tablespoons of the actual fresh, the fresh lime. So I'm just gonna do just a little. And it doesn't want to zest for me. Just a little teeny bit's coming out. But I guess we don't want that much. Just a little. Do a little more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I should have cut it that way. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a couple of teaspoons. It's a little hard doing it that way. I'll just go ahead and that's probably more than what I needed, but it was a little difficult getting it out. And then I'm just gonna kind of whisk it together. And bring the fruit back over. Just want to make sure this is really mixed up. I almost feel like I want more honey, but I'm just gonna roll with this. And then just pour it over. Yeah, that looks like plenty. Just shaking it all out. Bit. Take a spoon and just kind of toss it. Got all the banging around, guys. And then it's mixed, and then you know you can just serve immediately, or you can chill it. So I'm going to do is chill it because I'm going to eat a little bit later. So this is the third and final salad that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you found some value in this. Of course, we all know how to make salads, but you know, it's good to get like little recipes from other people to kind of like tailor your stuff, or to even, you know, just try new recipes. And if you're not a cook, I mean, these are really just really simple, and it's helpful. I've gotten like lots of recipes from different sources. So guys, let me know if you're gonna try any of these recipes. They are really delicious, and I love each one of them. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.